you, tell you all the time. Heaven is a place on earth with you, where you tell me all the things you do. I heard you like the bad girls too. Oh man, is that true? Let's learn this video games by Lana Del Rey. The verse begins F sharp minor to A. Just that a few times. And then goes C sharp minor, D. And then back to F sharp. Now F sharp is the relative minor of A. And C sharp minor is the relative minor of E. So we're thinking E and A is what you got to think to make sense of this. And then every other time they come back to this and end it with F sharp minor. And then the chorus begins on E. Goes to D. Stays on these chords for quite a while, especially a lot of lyrics happen over this D. And then it goes to A. G is just a passing chord, so you can leave it out if you want. Heaven is a place on earth with you. Back to, so basically we're going to E, or moving back to F sharp minor. That's the whole movement of the chorus. E. F sharp minor, D. That's the first repetition of the chorus. Ends on D. And then it starts on the D this time. There's no E on the second time. D to A, G, F sharp minor, D, and then to finish goes to D minor 7. And that's just like an F chord, except you leave the D string open. Play it as a bar chord too. That's the whole song. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing it. Bye.